In today's video, we're gonna go over 5 ways to earn extra money without any investments. And the last one, you can make up to $300 a day. The first one, selling stock photos and videos. Stock photography is a way to earn money by selling your photos and videos to companies like Shutterstock and iStock Photo. You don't have to be a professional or have a professional camera. Today, with the flagship phones out there, you can get pretty decent photos and videos. There are also plenty of examples of people who have started using stock photography and succeeded on their businesses. The biggest challenge here is getting your work noticed by the right people in the first place. You need to know what kind of image people are looking for and how you can make them stand out from the rest. One of the top categories to sell is lifestyle. So next time you go for a trip or a walk in the park, remember to take some nice pictures and make some videos. On average, a single picture can earn you 1 to 25 cents per image and can go higher if you add videos as well. You can easily earn a sum of $1,000 to $2,000 a month. Number 2, transcribing audio. As a typist who writes out recorded audio, you can work from the comfort of your home. Plus, with transcription jobs, you can choose your hours. Platforms like Rev and TranscribeMe allows you to write transcripts for the audios and videos given. Professional transcripts writers earns up to 6 to 10K a month. The same can apply to you if you get experienced. But how does it work? The platforms will provide you with audio or video, and you have to listen and write what's being said. It's that simple. But before we continue further, if you like to make money online, subscribe to this channel. I'll be giving you guys every week ways to make money online. The third way, create an online course. Are you good at cooking? Do you know some tasty recipes? Or do you know how to use a particular software? Give it a thought and you can find various skills you have that you can sell. Try to remember if you have helped someone in any particular way. That's something you can teach others and earn money. People all over around are making thousands of dollars creating online courses. Online courses can be quite lucrative if you're able to provide great content and reach your target market. On average, professionals earn $20K to $50K per month, while beginners can generate $2,000 to $5,000 a month. But how to start? Try to think about what you do best and what people would come to you for advice on. Can be pretty much anything, from baking tips to website design. Based on the materials that you have gathered, you can now create the content for your online courses. Most courses use videos as the main form of communication. However, you can also use written contents, audio recordings, slides, or a mix of them all. Next, you should choose a platform. There are options like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, Podia. Put a price that you think it's worth it and you're good to go. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. Yes, you can build an actual YouTube channel that will generate you thousands of dollars while you sleep. On average, about 5 billion videos are watched every day on YouTube. You can create a channel and start making videos of anything that you want. Or if you don't want to show your face, you can start a faceless channel. However, you gotta keep in mind, quality and consistency is very important. Offer valuable content to your viewers. This is how millionaire YouTubers have built their fortune. After you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time, you can get your channel monetized. You can also earn money from sponsors and affiliate marketing. You have no limit of how much you can earn from YouTube. So just take the first step and start to grow your channel. And the final one, Taskrabbit. Taskrabbit is an odd job service that operates in over 60 US cities and connect users called taskers to paying gigs. Taskers set their own rate. Here are just a few ways to make money on Taskrabbit. Note that some task types may be available only on certain cities. Pick up dry cleaning, drop off some packages at the post office, get some prescription filled. These are logistical pain for most people. Easy the burden and get paid around $26 to $66 per project. Delivery items such as groceries to a busy household, donuts to an office meeting, or beer to a party. The average tasks you spend 30 minutes to 1 hour to complete, meaning the fastest that you complete your tasks, the higher you get paid hourly. You also can get paid to wait in line. Yes, wait in line. Taskers can earn up to $30 an hour to snag someone a spot. So if you have free time during the weekday or the weekend, you can easily make $300 a day. So that's it, guys. This is some of my 5 favorite side hustles you can do to earn extra money. Leave a comment down here and tell me what you think. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.